All right, we'll go across to my colleague Niranjan now. Niranjan, over to you. Please share more details of the latest news update coming in. All right, viewers, big updates coming in. The CBI is likely to summon Rhea Chakrabarti now. Big updates coming in, viewers, after Siddharth Pithani, who has been questioned since the past 2 days and likely to be questioned today as well. Big updates coming in that CBI is also likely to summon Rhea Chakrabarti. Rhea Chakrabarti likely to be grilled by the CBI today. Let's go across to my colleague Niranjan now. Niranjan, big updates coming in. CBI likely to summon Rhea now.
We're getting in more news of, the line of investigation. Siddharth Pithani, who yesterday we told you his version did not add up. He was questioned by the CBI, taken to the crime scene, and he was at Sushant's residence for over 8 to 9 hours. Now, we know that Siddharth Pithani's versions have not added up. He claims he was the one who entered the room and cut the green cloth in which he claims Sushant was found hanging. But the locksmith yesterday told us that, Siddharth Pithani sent him the wrong picture of the door. He sent the wrong door. And then when he reached there, he saw that the doorknob and the kind of lock that was on that door was the one that you could open with a duplicate key. So one theory that Siddharth Pithani and gang tried to float has already collapsed. Secondly, Siddharth Pithani's versions have not matched because earlier he said something else completely in the interview with Arnab Goswami. To other media channels, he contradicted himself. And Siddharth Pithani also said that he did not know Rhea that well in that interview with Arnab, where he said that I only used to post some pictures of Sushant. So he tried to sort of be wishy-washy about the entire issue. And he finds himself in a complete fix now. In a complete fix because he seems to have become the central character along with Sandeep Singh and a few others. And the complete focus will be on Siddharth Pithani today. That's why he's perhaps being called back by the CBI. He will be interrogated again. Today, Pithani will be questioned. The keymaker, whose version was on Republic TV yesterday, he said he received the wrong picture and that he went inside the house. And once he opened the door, he was not allowed to look inside the room. He was asked to leave immediately. And a very suspicious version emerged. Now, let me go across to Anuj as well. Anuj has been tracking the story yesterday. Anuj, what's the latest on your end? What time will Rhea be called in for questioning? And where will the questioning take place?
Exactly, Niranjan. As this is the third day, we are seeing that CBI is in action. And if you go through the development which has happened in yesterday night, now CBI has connected all the dots and collected all the evidences. And after that, this is something what we have been told and what we are understanding, because Pithani is going to be one of the most important testimony and witnesses what has happened on that very day. So that is why what we learn and understand, Pithani is going to be jailed again. On the other hand, Keymaker is also going to play an important role, because he was the one who was called in by Pithani himself, and that is something which he has been disclosing on the public media network itself. So this is going to be very important questioning, whether being it Pithani or whether being it the keymaker. On the other hand, we also do understand, as we are seeing, that how CBI is connecting the dots and getting into the lead and walking ahead. So Rhea, what we have been told, is going to be another important testimony and another important witness, not to say witness, but an object or to understand what CBI is looking for by connecting the dots. So something, what we have been told today, that the Pithani will be questioned again, and this is going to be the keymaker. This is also expected that they may be taken again back to the Sushant case. We do understand before CBI team who was there at Sushant's residence for numbers of hours yesterday, they have recreated the scene over there. But seeing the gravity and to understand it from the ground, this is also expected that CBI may visit Sushant's residence again today. On the other hand, Rhea questioning is also going to be very important, which is going to be new input from the CBI end. So we have to wait and watch what exactly will be the timing. But as we saw it yesterday, that it started early morning, so we are expecting that from around 9 a.m., the movement of CBI teams will start.
Okay, staying on the story, in fact,